Hi everyone, this is Prashad Parthiban. Today I'm going to address the most frequent question that I always get. What is the required amount of coverage that I need to have on my condo insurance so that I don't have any coverage gap? Say you are a unit owner who lives in a townhome or condo where you have an HOA. For those who are new to this concept, HOA is nothing but homeowners association. Say if you live in a condo where there are multiple units and you have common areas like swimming pool or any other grasses or any playgrounds, so those are maintained by the separate entity called HOA, homeowners association, and as a unit owner you need to pay monthly fee for maintaining those common areas, and one of the duties is to maintain or have an HOA insurance policy to cover those common areas plus outside areas of our units. So it's very important you understand about those policies before you get individual unit owners policy called as HO-6. So a lot of people I see they just go and take HO-6 without understanding the underlying master policy. So that's the reason why I'm creating this video. First, let's see what do you mean by HOA master policy. As I told you, this policy covers common areas, right? It can be the swimming pool or the common playground or anybody involved in the HOA, like directors, officers. If they make any mistakes during the job, they can be covered under liability coverage, etc., etc. Now, the reason why I always insist the unit owners to have a look at these policies is we do have different kinds or types of HOA policy. The first one is called bare walls coverage. The second one is called single entity coverage. And the third one is all-in coverage. You have to understand what kind of coverage your HOA has so that you can accordingly select your condo insurance coverages. For an example, if your HOA has bare walls coverage, which means all the common areas will be covered, plus your unit's outside dry walls will be covered. Nothing inside the unit will be covered, only the unit's dry wall and the roof will be covered. This is a minimum coverage that any HOA can have. The second type of coverage is single entity coverage. In addition to dry wall and the roof, it also covers inbuilt appliances. When I say inbuilt appliances, the washing machine, the oven, and all inbuilt appliances which are inside the unit. So this is one level in addition to the bare walls in coverage. The third and most comprehensive coverage is all-in coverage. This covers the outside dry walls plus roof and also any inbuilt appliances plus any special improvements that you have made. Like say you went to a condo unit, you updated your flooring to a new upgraded floor, or you made any special improvements to your unit, those will also be taken care of. So the reason why I say for any unit owner to review the master policy is, if your HOA master policy has bare walls coverage, which means you need to make sure you have enough dwelling coverage so that you cover any inbuilt appliances or anything inside the home. Assume that your HOA has all-in coverage, which includes all inbuilt appliances, any special improvements, which means you can skip the dwelling coverage altogether and have only personal property, which means your computers or any personal property that you have inside your condo. So that's the reason why it's very important you have to understand the type of coverage your HOA master policy has. Now we have seen what is the required or what is the need for going through your HOA master policy before coming to your condo. The second step is what are the different coverages you need in condo insurance. The first one is dwelling. As I told you, if your HOA master policy has bare walls or a single entity, then it is required that you have minimal dwelling coverage to cover your inner area of your unit. Personal property, it's very much required in any types of coverage that your master policy has, because it covers all your personal belongings like computer, dresses, etc., etc. Loss of use, right? Say something happens to your condo unit and you cannot reside in that unit for 1 month. You need to take a rental unit for a time being. So this coverage will help you. Loss of use. Liability, right? If something happens to your neighbor due to your negligence, or if a tree or something from your unit fell on their unit, or something happens to your neighbor, or if your guest is in your unit and something happens to them, and you can use this liability, third party coverage. Medical payments is a very minimal amount which covers any medical expenses. Say if somebody got hurt in your unit and they need immediate first aid, without proving who is at fault, you can take amount from the medical payments. The last one is loss assessment, which is a very interesting coverage. Sometimes the HOA will have maximum limit like to 1 billion or 2 million. Sometimes due to the catastrophic loss like wind or something, there could be huge loss for your HOA master policy, and they would have exhausted their maximum limit and they don't have any other option, and they have to come to the unit owners to share the extra losses. Say your HOA master policy is 1 million overall and the losses is 2 million, right? Then the extra 1 million or extra 50k, they have to split across all the unit owners. In that case, if you have this loss assessment coverage, you can use the coverage limit from this amount to pay that loss assessment given by your HOA. I hope you kind of understood it. It's very important that you understand the fact every time when you get a condo insurance, which is HO-6, it's very important that you review your HOA master policy. The second point to consider is, when do you need loss assessment? Like as I told you, if you think that your HOA master policy has a limit which may not be sufficient in all scenarios, it's always safe to have loss assessment coverage, and that's what I wanted to cover basically. I hope you like my training videos. If you like my training videos, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Have a great day. Bye-bye.